Hey, this is Emily with System Improvements Taproot, and as part of the training and development team here, we're so excited about our first annual student competition. I've got Barb Carr, who is going to be leading the training. I'm going to pass it to her so she can tell us about her excitement about this first ever student competition.
Hi everyone, I'm Barb and I am the Taproot instructor for the competition. I am looking forward to working with our students. I know they will come away from this training able to do an incident investigation from start to finish and learn a lot more about finding and fixing problems at facilities. So super excited to be working with them, and I'm going to pass it on to Tim Diggs.
Hello, I'm Tim Diggs, and I'm super excited about this opportunity for students in academia to be involved in Taproot. We have a great final project prepared for them involving exploding barrels and catching homes on fire. So we know that the incident is exciting, and we know that the students will be excited to find these causes and introduce their fixes to prevent these things from happening again. It's a great opportunity, and I'm very proud to be a part of it. I'd like to introduce you to Stuart Behe of Texas A&M University.
Thank you for putting me on the spot. My name is Stuart Behe. I'm the faculty advisor for the Taproot team from Texas A&M, and having been involved with the Taproot process for the last 20, 30 years, and have used it very effectively for the investigations that I've been in charge of over in jurisdictions around the world. I think this is a great opportunity for our teams from all the universities participating to really understand the real world needs to define incidents to the point of view of getting root causes, real root causes that can affect long-term solutions. So I think it's going to be a great opportunity for all participants, and I look forward to leading our team and looking at how this may have an impact on the industry going forward. So I will introduce Patrick Murray, who will. Patrick.
Thank you, Stuart. I'm Patrick Murray from NC State University in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's a College of Engineering. Go Pack. I'm an adjunct lecturer in the Edward P. Fitz Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering. And I also serve as the executive coach for the students when they execute their senior capstone design engineering class. I've had a great time working with this cohort of people trying to figure out how to do this first ever student competition around Taproot. It's a great opportunity because students love to compete, and they're also hungry to get under their belts a real world, problem that they can solve, that they can't look up anywhere on the internet and get the answer to, but build that confidence as they embark on their career working on real problems and coming up with potential solutions that can avoid those problems in the future. So I'm very excited to be part of this. And I am very excited to watch our student team get trained from Barb and Tim and leverage all the expertise that systems improvement has, and watch our students get to Knoxville and give it their best. Go Pack. Baymin,
okay.
I'd like to introduce you next.
Okay, thank you, Patrick. So my name is Baymin Zhan Nubi. I'm from the University of Akron. I'm a professor here. And this is actually second year I'm teaching the capstone design course. And I actually getting a lot of help from other industry people in the past, especially Stuart, to help us with designing this course. So I thought this is a great opportunity for our students to actually get to know some real world applications. So I thank the Taproot for hosting this event for our students. And I think the selected group of students is very excited to have this opportunity to participate in the competition. They are looking forward to showcasing their learnings and their training. So thank you very much for this opportunity.
Excellent. And we have a couple other universities that aren't on this call right now, but we're just so excited about it. Can't wait for the summit to be able to see the students and let them present their findings as they go through the Taproot training. So we look forward to a really awesome May when we meet at the Knoxville Convention Center. And thank you to all of the universities that are willing and participating with us. So we're really excited.